Hey you guys, I'm Stacy and this is Gorgeously Aging, and today I want to share with you some of my favorites from this past month. Mostly what I have for you today is some skincare items, but I have a few hair care items I wanted to share with you as well. So let's get into these favorites. I'll tell you a little bit about why I love them so much. For those of you brand new, thank you for joining me today. I do hope you'll subscribe and join the Gorgeously Aging community. So about a month ago, I decided to try the Skin Fix Barrier Plus. Now let me show you guys this cream because first of all, I love how it dispenses. So you can mix this with oils or other products. Just drop it in the top and then swipe your finger and get the cream on there. This is a beautiful hydrating cream. It has hyaluronic acid, barrier repair ingredients, and it is a clean product, alcohol free, and it is vegan. So I'm showing you this today on the back of my hand. I usually use it on my face, neck, and chest, and what I have left over, I put on my hands. I like this product in the morning, but it can be used morning and night. It is nourishing, it is a rich hydrator, and it wears well under makeup. I would say the thickness of this is not a heavy cream, but it's not a thin lotion. It's right in the middle. This certainly can be used morning and night. But the next product I'm going to show you is one that I've been using at night and I really love it. So I've never really hopped on the Drunk Elephant brand bandwagon, but I did want to try the Bora Repair Cream. This rebuilds and restores, great for aging skin, helps with firmness and elasticity, and it is a thicker cream. This really does help lock hydration in. So if you're someone who has dry skin, you're mature, you're postmenopausal, or you just need to restore the hydration in your skin, this one would be one to try. Like the Skin Fix Barrier Repair, it has that same kind of dispenser, so it is airtight. And let me just show you. Here is the cream. I want to put it on the back of my other hand. And it is a bit thicker, a little more emollient. It does rub in nicely, but you can feel that it leaves a nice coating on the skin in terms of really locks in that hydration. That's why I've been using it at night. Now you can use it during the day as well, but just give it a little bit of time and massage it in because it is a bit heavier than most lotions. It is a thicker cream. Now the caveat about the Drunk Elephant, as much as I've enjoyed this one is $69 versus the Skin Barrier Repair, the Skin Fix rather, Barrier Repair, and this one is $54. So both of them are a little bit of a splurge, but you actually get quite a bit in these containers. And the fact that they're airtight means they're going to stay fresh longer. A product I've been absolutely obsessed with is this Summer of Fridays. This is the Jet Lag Overnight Serum. This is an eye serum. You guys, this is one of the best eye serums I've used in terms of it's almost thick enough that it has like an inclusivity to it. So it's really going to lock in the hydration as you sleep. Let me show you this product. So a little goes a long way. I usually dispense about that much for both eyes, and then I use both ring fingers and just dab it together. So it is quite, I don't want to say thick because it's not heavy under the eyes, but it has almost like a slight occlusive property to it. So when it dries down, it just leaves a beautiful layer that helps keep the moisture in. It traps it in. So when you wake up, you feel like the under eyes are just a little plumper, a little less crepey, a little firmer. I really like this. It looks great under makeup. I do use this morning and night. When I do use it in the morning, I like to give it a little bit of time to absorb in before I go ahead with makeup. When I say time, I mean like a minute or two. I just don't usually go right ahead with makeup. I like to let my skincare products settle into the skin just a little bit. Something I forgot to mention about the Bora Repair and the Skin Fix, both of these also help combat redness. Now I have a little bit of redness on my face, particularly around my cheeks and around my nose, and I do notice an improvement with both of these products. I've really been enjoying the Kate Somerville. This is the Delicate Soothing Cleanser. Now this one is $44, but a little goes a long way. I do like to make sure to massage it into my skin really well, taking a couple minutes so those ingredients can really infuse in the skin before you rinse it off. This is gentle, as the name implies. It's good for normal to dry skin, and it also is alcohol-free, fragrance-free, and just really gentle for everybody who has sensitive skin and needs that extra soothing. You guys, I discovered this affordable sunscreen. Now, I have tons of sunscreens. I'm always testing new ones to see which are effective, but actually look nice on the skin with and without makeup. And I was really surprised because this is a drugstore brand. It is beautiful. It is wonderful alone. It has a slight bit of tint. I think there is a non-tinted version. This is SPF 30. But it is gorgeous on the skin. I wore this, and my daughter, who is really quite observant about things. She's like, what do you have different on your skin? Your skin is really glowing. It looks beautiful. I actually took this with me when I went on vacation to Belize. That's how good it is. I'm not kidding when I say on hand right now, I probably have 50 sunscreens to choose from, and this is the one I took on vacation, and it's only like $13. So this is one I would definitely try and see how you like it, especially if you have mature skin. Speaking of mature skin, my hands this winter have been so dry that out of desperation, I picked up the Aquaphor Repairing Hands Mask. I think I picked this one up at Target. I believe they have them at Walmart, and I'll put a link in the description below for all of these products, but this is something that I bought over and over again. It's just 10 minutes, like you don't have to sleep in it. It comes with the little hand mitts, and it has shea butter, avocado oil, and provitamin B5, and it actually works to help restore the hydration in dry hands. I think if you try this, you'll see a difference in just one use. I love this stuff. Something I picked up, and I'm surprised how much I like it. I almost passed this up because it has SPF 15, and I was really looking for it for vacation as a mist on my face just to kind of refresh the SPF. I usually choose mists that are a higher SPF than 15, but this has so many good ingredients, including hyaluronic acid, to give your face a quick hydration mist. Now, I like it also over makeup. It feels refreshing, it smells great, and it just gives the makeup a little bit more of a natural look. And it's a nice light mist. It doesn't come out heavy or spit all over you, nor how some sprayers you spray it and it's like spits in your face. This is a really nice mist. So for just the hydration alone, I love it, but I also love it that it gives you that extra 15 SPF. So you're just topping off your sunscreen periodically, which is so good for your skin. Now, last but certainly not least, I found a kit on Amazon of the Carol's Daughter. Now, I only have the shampoo and conditioner here because I left the other two products at home. But I have to say, this is incredible shampoo and conditioner. I am extremely picky, having owned salons and spas my entire adult life. I typically always used high quality professional products. Now, over the last several years, I've really been exploring what's at the drugstore or at Target, and this is one that I have purchased over and over. I actually got my daughter Abby to use it. It gives your hair strength, hydration, and I'm trying to grow my hair out. Right now I have Irresistible Me extensions in. My hair's like, I don't know, down here, but I really do want to get it longer again like it used to be. And I feel like this is helping me get there. So it has no sulfates, parabens, or artificial color. It says that it's for weak breakage prone hair. Now my hair is naturally textured, it is wavy and slightly frizzy, and I also color treat it. So my hair needs that hydration. Now this is a little bit of a heavy or rich shampoo and conditioner. So if your hair is super fine, this may be a little too heavy for you. I actually had my daughter Bella try it because she does have really fine, what she calls flat hair, and she likes it. I think when you have fine hair and you want to try something like this, definitely make sure you're rinsing it out super well. Every month, I'm always trying new products just to see if there's anything out there that will improve my skincare routine, improve my skin, and just make things more convenient for me. Of course, because skincare is my passion, I will always let you guys know the favorites and even the fails that I find. If you've discovered any gems or skincare favorites this month, let me know in the comments. I would love to hear from you. And if you've discovered anything that you absolutely hated, you thought was junk, let us know that too. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. Be good to yourselves and to others, and I will see you next time.